Hello everyone, I cook chicken adobo and I add already cooking oil, and then I add onion and then garlic and mix well with brown little. This one chicken adobo, Filipino dish. And then I add chicken. This one chicken I make marinate, soy sauce, vinegar, and paprika. And then I add already chicken. I fried little bit. This one. And then I add vinegar, black pepper, soy sauce, add bay leaf, add 1 Maggi cube, and then I add ketchup little. I put water, and then mix well. I put inside the oven. This one only 5 minutes. So I'm done cooking. Thank you for watching, everyone. Today I cook chicken. So I fried already the chicken, and then I add olive oil, and then I add ginger, garlic, and onion. Shoot the onion and garlic and ginger and 1 onion. So leave little brown little. And then I add this one sauce. I put this 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, and 3 spoons of ketchup, and black pepper, and honey. And mix well. And then I add this one chicken. This one I make fry this one chicken. I put 2 cup of corn flour and 1 cup of flour, and then 2 eggs. So I make fry this one. Mix well. And then I add black pepper. So no need to put salt this one, because I make fry this one, the chicken I put salt already, and black peppers and garlic. And then I add water. I put 1 spoon of corn flour. Cover, leave cook or 10 minutes only. Cover. So now I'm done cooking. So transfer here in the tray. Now I'm done, so I add this one. I'm done cooking, ready to serve now. Thank you for watching, everyone.